Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add heading in Google Docs. Open your Docs file and simply drag your mouse, select your text you want to make heading. Now select format option and select your paragraph style and choose your heading. There are many kinds of heading. I will apply first one, apply heading and see this heading already applied. Also I will apply heading these paragraphs. Format option, paragraph style. Second heading, I will apply and see this. Also I will apply heading here, format option, heading 3 and see this. In this way you can apply heading as you like. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.